Welcome to Chitrayan drawing class for kids. Today I am going to show you how to draw and paint easy drawing of festival on oil pastel. I draw Candle and Dipak for Happy Diwali. So at first I draw 1, the number 1 and the alphabet L. Then I join the line. Here I draw drops of water. Now I draw a leaf structure. The lower part as like a boat. Let's start color. Lemon yellow. Deep yellow, orange, primary red, orange, dark brown, primary red, cerulean blue, light green, dark green, light green, primary red, yellow ochre, brown, grey color, I finished my drawing. Let's enjoy this Deepavali with Deepak and Candle. My only advice to you, practice every day because practice makes a man perfect. Hope you like this video. If yes, then like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. Your support will encourage us to produce new variable instructional video. Again, thanking you very much. Keep supporting us. Have a nice day.